Well, there is a new feature in ChatGPT called group chats, and basically you can invite up to 20 people into the conversation. And what's unique about this feature is that ChatGPT is always there. If you have any question, you can ask that to ChatGPT and it is ready to answer the question. But still, it feels like a regular conversation with the other people. It is very interesting. So let me show you how you can use the group chat feature in ChatGPT. Now here I have two different browser stations, and on the left is going to be the host, and on the right is going to be the guest of the conversation. Now here on the left, I'm going to click this button to start a group chat. And by the way, it is possible to actually start a chat normally with ChatGPT and then invite the other people later. It is absolutely possible. But in this case, I'll just start a blank or fresh conversation. Let's click start group chat. And you can copy the link and send that link to the person that you want to invite into the discussion. So let me just open that link on this browser session. And the other person can join the discussion or the chat. Click join group chat. And there you go. Now the other member has joined and they can see the exact same content that you can see. Let's say I want to send a message like 1, 2, 3. The other member can see that. There you go. I can reply back 4, 5, 6, and the host can also see that message. And there is actually a reaction feature. You can click this to add some reaction or emoji, and this is actually a nice feature that also available in other tools like WhatsApp and Telegram groups, so that's nice. Now here I'm going to simulate a discussion between these two people or these two accounts, and later I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do something. So here I'm going to ask, hey, what is the plan for tomorrow? Okay, now ChatGPT is taking a look because it needs to evaluate if the question was asked to the other member or if that was a question for ChatGPT. In this case, that was a question for the other member, and that's why ChatGPT didn't do anything, which is good. Now let's continue. I don't know, how about we are going to a movie theater? Send a message. Okay, ChatGPT is taking another look, but it should not doing anything. Okay, that's good. Now, this time around, I will actually ask ChatGPT to do something. Hey ChatGPT, can you check what are movies that are playing right now in Singapore? Okay, let me just change this. ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT. Sorry about that. Send a message. And as you can see, it is taking a look. And it should be doing something. There you go. Searching the web. So during the group chat, ChatGPT can do a few things, like it can search the web. It can also read some documents that you provided. And you can also ask ChatGPT to create a picture. So those things are absolutely possible. They're not as many as in the regular chat version, but I think maybe OpenAI will include some features in the future. So that's the general idea on how you can use the group chat feature in ChatGPT. The guests can always leave at any time. They can click the title of the conversation and then click leave group. And the host can also control the members that are allowed in the conversation. They can click the title and then click people, and then they can manage or organize the members. So if I, let's say, leave the group as a guest, the host is still has the conversation normally, and of course the host has the total control over the chat. They can delete the group at any time. And there you go. So that's basically how you can use the group chat feature in ChatGPT. Right now it is somewhat simple, but I think there's going to be some improvement in the near futures. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this addition. I think this is a great tool for discussion and collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.